My name is Muskan. I read in 12th class. My school name is Government High Secondary School, Karna Shurgal. Today, my topic is World Day Against Child Labor. The World Day Against Child Labor is an international labor organization. Sanctioned holiday first launched in 2002, aiming to raise awareness and activism to prevent child labor. It was spurred by ratification of ILO Convention number 138 on the minimum age for employment and ILO Convention number 182 on the worst form of child labor. Child labor is a term you might have heard about in news or movies. It refers to a crime where children are forced to work from a very early age. It is like expecting kids to perform responsibilities like working and fending for themselves. There are certain policies which have put restriction and limitation on the children working. The average age for a child to be appreciated to work is considered 15 years and more. Children falling below this age limit won't be allowed to indulge in any type of work forcefully. Why is that so? Because child labor take away the kid opportunity of having a normal childhood, a proper education and physical and mental well-being. In some countries it is illegal, but still it's a far away from being completely eradicated. Causes of child labor. Child labor happens due to a number of reasons. While some of the reasons may be common in some countries, there are some reasons which are specific in particular areas and region. When we look at what is causing child labor, we will be able to fight in better. Firstly, it happens in countries that have a poverty and unemployment. Unemployment, when the families won't have enough earning, they put the children of the family to work so they can have enough money to survive. Similarly, if the adult of the family are unemployed, the younger ones have to work in their place. Thank you.